The snow's almost gone and my snowmobiles are still sitting in the lawn. So today I'm gonna get some pallets, I think. Drain some fuel. And park them for the summer. But I gotta go find pallets first. Alright, we're looking for pallets. I don't see any. Usually Home Hardware has a nice pile of them. Well, they got some there. I think those 3 will work. And that big one, that's a nice one. I got 3 pallets. I was gonna get 4, but I think 3's enough. It's coming, not very fast. And the tank's not metal, so I don't think I gotta leave the tank full for the summer. So I'll drain it and use this in something else. There's one done. I'll get this one now. Not much. I'll put something down the cylinders here. Oh. I don't know if that does anything, but whatever. Can't. That's way too much. Alright, stored for the winter. Alright, so the snowmobiles are put away. I've been putting that up for a while, but I think winter's over, so it's time to put the winter things away. Get ready for summer. Spring, I guess, but I hate spring because it's wet and muddy and... Anyway, I'll probably get a big tarp, cover those snowmobiles once the snow melts, once the pallets kind of level off or whatever. But for now, I'll leave them like that, let the snow melt, and deal with it then. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later.